7 minus 2 equals 5. 7 minus 2 here equals 5 too, and 5 times 5 equals 25. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have two subtraction operators present, but we also have parentheses present. So let's solve what we have inside parentheses. We have 7 minus 2, that gives us 5. Our expression simplifies to 7 minus 2 times 5. Now, as per the rules, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So we must solve multiplication first. 2 times 5 gives us 10. And then we have 7 minus 10, that equals minus 3, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.